to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're making guacamole. Here I have my avocado. This is a big one, so it's gonna take a little more than your average stuff to make. Let's just get this out. Just making sure there's no skin. We don't want to be eating any skin now, do we? Okay, come on. So guys, this guacamole is gonna be good because we're gonna add things that normally other people don't add, right? Here we go. Yeah, I know this is a big one, but I can't help it. This comes off of my tree. Here we go. Okay. There. Let's just slice that up. And if you find any bad pieces in there, which is not looking too pretty, then you just take it out. Just go ahead and take it out. Okay. Next we have, I gotta put some cilantro in here. We want the good leaves. Just about like 2 tablespoons of cilantro in here. I know this is gonna be more than 2 tablespoons, but we'll see. See how finely chopped I can get this. One more time. Okay. Let's just drop that in. Yeah, that looks like about 4 tablespoons actually. Now this is a serrano chili. Let's get a little spoon and scrape this pepper out. You don't want the seeds in there because the seeds is gonna make it a little bit more spicy. Now, unless you like your guacamole really spicy, then you can go ahead and leave the seeds in there. Okay. Now, let's see how small I can really cut this up, because you want every bite to get a little taste in it. Now, a serrano chili is not as spicy as your other chili peppers. That's why I like it. It's just spicy enough. Ooh, that was a whole one. Okay, and then I have here red peppers. Now this is like a half a cup of red pepper, which is about half of a bell pepper. Half of a onion, red onion. This is half of a red onion. And then we're gonna add like a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. A half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. You want it to be flavorful and delicious. One more item. One more item. Let's put some tomatoes in there. Give it a little bit more color and flavor. Take the seeds out. How easy is that, eh? There we go. those colors popping in there. And don't forget the flavor from everything. Okay, there we go. Now, can we say we have everything in here? Everything but the kitchen sink. The beauty about this is you let it sit. After you make it, you let it sit for a little bit, just for a little while, not too long. There we go. This is all blended up. Everything is combined. All right, now to my next part. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. That looks like it has enough in there, right? Here is what we're going to make this pretty. Make it really pretty, guys. Okay, we're gonna fancy this up. Make it something to really look at. Okay, and then we put this on each one. You put a tomato. I hope I have enough. Oh, there we go. I do have enough. And then you put this on your table and everybody will come and look at the beautiful guacamole dish that you've made. Just put one more. There we go. All right. And there we have it. So this is my guacamole salad. Thank you guys for watching. Judy Cooking 360. It's always a pleasure having you guys watching my channel. See you guys next time. Make it. And tell me what you think. Have a good day, guys.